we're talking about what we know in gas particles. As we know, solids have definite shape and volume, has particles that are packed closely together and usually arranged in a regular pattern. The examples of a solid are cup, shirt, book, and eraser. Liquid has definite volume but has no fixed shape, has particles that can move and are in close contact. Examples of liquids: maple syrup, shampoo, olive oil, and orange juice. Gases, they have no definite volume and shape. They also have particles that are widely separated. Examples can be helium in a balloon, steam from a kettle, argon in a tank, nitrogen in a tank. So in summary, to do these all together, so in solids, we have particles that are packed closely together, liquids that has particles that can move and are in close contact, and gas has particles that are widely separated. So on this chart here, I have written solid, liquids, and gas, and what I want you to do is I want you to tell me something that would go into each of those.
Solid, rock. Liquid, water. Gas, gasoline.
Okay. As you can see, I have some hot water here. I take this ice cube, and we know that it's a solid, right?
Yep.
What would happen if I put it into the hot water?
Melt.
And what then would it become?
Liquid.
Okay, but would it become, so it would become liquid from matter. And that would melt. Okay, so if I were to blow, we know that a balloon is a solid, but we can also make it a gas, right?
Right.
How would I make that a gas?
Blow it up.
Okay, but what would in there would make it the gas?
Air.
Okay, and then when we let the air out, and then it just becomes back to being a solid. Okay. All right, now we're going to do this short quiz. Which of the following is a gas? A rock, water, air, or ice?
Air.
What happens to water when it freezes? It becomes gas, it becomes a solid, it disappears, it becomes air.
It becomes a solid.
Which of these is a property of liquids? Keeps its shape, has no volume, takes the shape of its container, and is always cold.
Has no volume.
Okay, and which state of matter has particles that move freely? A solid, liquid, gas, or none?
A liquid.
All right.